Pruning and shaping your walnut trees. A key component to ensuring the vitality and productivity of your walnut trees lies in proper pruning and shaping practices. This chapter highlights the importance of these practices and guides you on how and when to carry them out. Pruning is an essential practice that promotes healthy growth and high-quality yields. It helps in the removal of dead or diseased wood, shaping the tree for optimal sunlight penetration and air circulation, and encouraging the growth of fruit-bearing wood. Pruning should start from the moment the tree is planted. The initial pruning aims to establish a strong central leader, the main vertical stem, and well-spaced lateral branches. This form, known as the central leader system, is most suitable for walnut trees as it maximizes sunlight exposure and allows for efficient nut harvesting. For the first few years, the focus of pruning should be on shaping the tree and establishing a robust branch structure. Pruning cuts should be clean and close to the branch collar to promote healing and prevent disease entry. However, avoid removing too many branches at once. A good rule of thumb is not to remove more than a third of the tree's total canopy in 1 year. As the trees mature, pruning should shift towards maintaining the tree's shape, removing any dead, diseased, or damaged wood, and controlling tree size. Pruning should also aim to remove any branches that cross or rub against each other, as these can create wounds that are entry points for pests and diseases. The best time to prune walnut trees is during late winter or early spring when the trees are dormant and before the new growth starts. This timing reduces the risk of disease transmission and allows the tree to heal quickly once growth resumes. Proper pruning tools are also important. These may include hand pruners for smaller branches, loppers for medium branches, and pruning saws for larger branches. Always ensure your tools are sharp and clean to make precise cuts and prevent disease spread. In summary, effective pruning and shaping are vital for the health and productivity of your walnut trees. They not only help in disease management, but also contribute significantly to your orchard's yield. The next chapter introduces you to the final but thrilling stage of your walnut farming venture, harvesting and post-harvest handling of walnuts.